I would like to personally thank you for clicking on this video. Today we're going to be doing some Bohemian Knotless Braids with human hair. And by the way, happy holidays. So I'm using the locking gel. I will link that down below. That stuff has my hair slick. I did take a flat iron and go over my edges. I was just trying something new just to see how long my edges hold up with this style. So far so good. Now you're seeing this video now, but I did record this like in December. If you are new to my channel, my birthday is 2 days before Christmas, so yeah, this was my birthday style. This video would not upload to my phone from iCloud. I'm using an Apple device. That is why I am uploading this video now. So we still gonna have the holiday theme because this video was supposed to be out before the holiday, well, before Christmas. Do you see how sleek my edges are? Like, I really wanted that sleek look because it preserves the style. Well, it makes the style last really long. It is currently January and I still have this style in my hair. And if you want to know what flat iron I use to straighten out my edges a little bit, I will also link that down below, but it is the Red by Kiss Titanium Mini Flat Iron. It gets the job done. If you plan on doing this method, or this is something new I'm trying, please do not put no grease or anything on your edges when you flat iron. Like I said in previous videos, you will literally fry your hair. The reason why my hair looks like this is because when I washed it, I deep conditioned it really good. So I didn't have to put anything on my hair in order for it to be shiny and get it straight. I will post a picture at the end of this video of the hair that I use. And I will also try to link a video, a link of where you can find some hair similar to this texture. Like I said, I will post a picture of the pack if you could find it in your local beauty supply store, because that's where I got mine from. And the braiding hair that I am using is Outre Expressions. That is my new go-to hair, y'all. This hair is so pretty when you soak it, when you dip the ends. Both the curly hair and the braiding hair. And by the way, you can soak this hair in hot water. It's not going to mess up the curl pattern. Like I said, it's 100% human. And this hair holds up very well. I do have a tutorial on how to do knotless braids. So if you're not familiar on how to do them, I will also link that down below. So I'm braiding the curly hair on the ends. I didn't want these braids like super long. I was originally going for like the bob look, but that braiding hair was too long. So I just did some like shorter length Bohemian braids. I did lock these braids on the end with a knot, but I did go back over it with a flat iron just to ensure that it doesn't unravel. And to seal my edges, I also use a little bit of Got To Be Glue, just so my edges can like stay laid. You don't need that much. A little bit goes a long way. And y'all, this method, it made this style last so long. It is time for me to take them out, but I'm going to wear it for like one more week. And that it makes it like a month that I have this style in. My hair grew out so fast. Like normally I try to leave this in the individuals for like 6 weeks. But I'm going to just push it to like 4 weeks. I've been using my oil mixture. So I do have a video on that oil mixture. That video like just literally took off. So yeah, my hair grew so fast. It's so pretty, y'all. This hair is so pretty. It's not heavy, it's gentle, it's something different. I said if I do this style, I have to use human hair. I don't want to use synthetic because I leave my hair in way too long. So I'm just doing a spin around for you guys. These are 8 rows total, 3 in the back, 5 in the front. I'm just using my locking gel still. I wanted these a little smaller, but not too small because we're gonna sit there and take all these braids out. I like doing them, but I hate taking them out. I use a total of 3 strands per braid. Like I said, I do have a tutorial on how to do a knotless braid. And if you would like for me to learn, I meant to do a tutorial on how to do a Bohemian knotless braid, comment down below. I do need some more video ideas because for these past couple of months I've been wearing like knotless braids. Of course, in between, give my hair a break. And other styles that you already seen on this channel. So like starting February, I will start posting like the YouTube short video. So like, because I don't want to just upload like a random couple second video, but YouTube's starting to do like the shorts. So I will post like the styles you don't see in my shorts, if that makes sense. That way I will continuously give you guys more content because I know I've been slacking. Like I said, I work, I braid, and also do like videos and stuff to like I do respond to my comments and stuff in between time. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do way better, stay more consistent on this channel. I also have another YouTube channel. It's called 3D Sisters. I do more than just hair. I love to cook. Love to clean. So yeah, I will start posting on there too once I get my like subscribers up, because I don't want to just post anything and like I don't get any views. So it's called 3D Sisters. I will link it down below. You also seen them on this channel. So yeah. And I just cut off those little hairs or whatever. So I am finally on the last braid. I do put grease on my hair to when I braid, so I don't like braiding dry hair. To me, it's not healthy to do so. I moisturize and put grease on there. And I only do that because like I'm leaving this style in, so I won't be able to moisturize it the way I want to with the hair lotion that I use. So yeah, I moisturize it and then seal it with some oil before I started braiding. And I only added in 2 of those curly strands on there just because of the length. I'm going to be doing this style again. I'm going to keep these same parts. I'm just going to take these out, wash my hair in like the little plaits or whatever. Because I'm going to take this down, then plait my real hair up, and then I'm going to wash it with the plaits in there because I love the parts. I will be giving my hair like probably like a week. I'm going to keep the plaits in, but I'm going to wear a wig on top of the plait, so just to give my hair a break. Not that this style uses a lot of tension or whatever, just to let my hair and my scalp breathe for a moment, and then I'm just going to do them again. I really love the parts. It's nice and full. It's the right size. And so yeah, I'm gonna keep these same parts. Like I said, I did tie them up on the end, but I also went over the ends with a flat iron just to seal them because I don't like using any type of glue. I don't like using nail glue because I can't stand the smell of it. But I just sealed it with a flat iron just to do something different and to keep me from like using that glue, because that nail glue is way too strong. So I just wanted to use like the flat iron just to seal them. But some people use nail glue, some people use hair glue. I don't like glue at all. That is not my thing. Plus I think I'm allergic to the hair glue, so yeah. So this is the finished result. You can dip them in hot water. The braiding hair and the curly hair will still keep its shape. It will not lose its texture or anything. So I will post a picture in this video of the hair that I use. Y'all, this style was so pretty. You can use foam to get that wet look. You can use water. Whatever is best for you, you can use it. So we just did a little birthday shoot or whatever. Thank you for watching.